Okie dokies, this will be a quick update for this Wednesday afternoon for the American trucking public. I'm Greg, and this is my weather channel for truck drivers, and I am not a professional weather guesser. I just go by what information I can get off of people from a trucking point of view. So, I guess there's another storm system coming into the Pacific Northwest. They've got a lot of winter storm warnings up here in the Washington and Oregon area from later on today, this evening, until Friday. And we're looking at, this is up around Spokane area and stuff, going across 4th of July Pass into Montana, and they're looking for 8 to 15 inches, 2 feet in the mountains, so it looks like it's going to be a heavy one. As you go farther east here, they got the the wind chill warning in effect for eastern Montana, North and South Dakota. Looks like Minnesota, Nebraska, Iowa, all the way down through Kansas into Oklahoma, and it'll be chilly all the way down to into the panhandle of Texas as well. You got a winter storm warning there for Colorado through noon Thursday, 8 to 15 inches. Excuse me. 60-mile-an-hour blowing snow, poor visibility. So, yeah, it's going to be a rough go in the Cascades and the Rockies. Got something going on over here in another winter weather advisory for the center section here. Snow and sleet up to 2 inches, and ice accumulations of a light ice glaze. Oh boy, North Mississippi, West Tennessee, East Arkansas, Southern Missouri, or Southeastern Missouri, from 3 a.m. through 6 p.m. on Thursday. So, I'll zoom in here. You can see that stretches all the way from northern Mississippi and Alabama over into Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, western part of Virginia, up into Washington, D.C. area. Weather advisory Thursday, about 6 p.m. through 3 a.m. on Friday. Another 2 to 4 inches of snow. Isolated higher amounts up to 6 inches. So that'll be up into the, looks like it to be the Philadelphia area. And you see a little bit of snow going on up here in Maine. They got a winter weather advisory there until 7 p.m. this evening. Another inch or so with ice for that. Let's see what's going on over here in Michigan. Oh, wind advisory across that area. And the Chicago area, west and north of it, remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening, with strong winds, blowing and drifting snow in the open places. Wind gusts as high as 45 miles an hour. So, that'd be that. Right now, currently, all the passes going across Washington State are requiring chains, and over here at Oregon, it's kind of an ugly go right now. Well, Not ugly, you're not going anywhere, but it is ugly. And it is showing closed from, as you can see down here in the lower right hand corner, from Ontario, Oregon, all the way over here to Pendleton at the bottom of Cabbage. So if you're in that neck of the woods, you ain't going anywhere. I'll go and zoom in here, see if I can click on one of the dots and see what that comes up with. And see how they got the chain restriction through the Ladd Canyon area there. Come over here, you can to the Grand, and it's all the way across there. And you got chain restrictions west of La Grande. I saw a road closure somewhere earlier. But I clicked on it before I came online. Oh, there we go. Maybe that's it. Oh, I got, yep, Cabbage has got the chain requirements, but it was showing the road was closed earlier, just a few minutes ago, so really hate Oregon and their, because the other road app I have was showing all red and it was closed. So go and bring that one up here real quick. And this is the Traffic Spotter app. Zoom back out again. For some reason or other, it likes zooming back in. But as you can see, it's a slow going across Snoqualmie Pass because you got a chain on both I-90, US 2, and US 12, which is White Pass. They weren't showing anything for I-82 down here. It's all showing green, as you can see. But this weather app, or road app, is showing all red and stuff. And maybe this was oh yeah, there it goes, road closed. 94 eastbound near milepost 216, which is the bottom of Cabbage there by the casino. And I forget the name of that truck stop because I rarely ever stopped there when I was out there on the road. But some drivers like to stop there. Couldn't see giving my money away. Right now it's pretty good, showing fairly decent going across Idaho. No slowdowns there. Looks like I got a few slowdowns in Wyoming, but over there by Evanston on the western stretch. And oh crap, they've got a lot of red there in Wyoming. As you can see there, I have to go and I don't know if I got, do I have the, oh, I do have Wyoming on this one. Okay, good deal. So bring that up and see what that has to say. Oh yeah, there we go. A lot of red. Looks like it's closed in Wyoming from the east side of Evanston all the way over to Green River, Little America. Click on this one here. Yep, there we go. Road closed between Evanston and exit 83 over there by Green River due to winter conditions. So, and the reopening time is unknown. This over here, slick spots with snowfall, strong winds blowing snow. I never would have guessed that for Wyoming, especially in the winter. Road closed between Rawlins and Laramie due to winter conditions, and that's both on the interstate and US 30, the bypass route, so be aware of that. And up over Sherman Hill, it's closed from exit 359, which is over there by Little America in Cheyenne. So it's closed from Laramie to Little America in Cheyenne. Estimated reopening time is 9 to 11 hours. So it might be open by midnight, it might not. It's Wyoming, who the heck knows. And running up I-25, it's shut down north and southbound. Looks like all the way from, well, they got a little stretch open there at Wheatland, but pretty much if you're going north or southbound, it's closed all the way up to almost Douglas. So don't expect to be going anywhere on I-25 north or southbound. In between Douglas and Cheyenne, looks like it's pretty, like I say, it's pretty much shut down. Other than that, the roads are open. You know, I used to go and run stuff from Minnesota coming across through Rapid City and Hot Springs and cut over to Casper and then down to Rawlins. So that stretch of 220 and 287 are open. Slicking spots and all that, but it's passable by the looks of it. So anyway, okay, this is my road and weather update. Now let's go and pop back over to this other one here, and oh, it didn't zoom back in this time. Cool. And we'll go and zoom out here, and oh, it's not doing much in on I-80 or I-5. Looks like they're getting some rain around Portland area. I-84 is open to the over there to about Hermiston, and that's when you're going to be catching the closed roads going through Cabbage and Meacham and Ladd area there in eastern Oregon. But looks like I-80 is in good shape. Looks like a little snow over there around the Salt Lake area, but it's not showing any road closures or slowdowns there yet. And so anyway, alright, this is Greg signing off for another update.